Hi everybody, it's me again. Another video with, in this case, a hack. Thanks to Mike from ConnectBiz to Gov for lending me his site so we can do this nice hack that it works pretty well. I'm not happy with it because I'm very picky about the code and a lot of things. I like my code clean, well done, all that. Okay. But it works very well, and it actually ends up being exactly what Mike needed and what others on the Facebook group have actually asked for. So this video is about the following. You have a business idea, okay? And on that business idea, on the business site that you're building, you need two different free sign up accounts. One for your, it could be business members or visitors or specific uh, target audience, and another one for a different group, a different audience. But both of them connect through the site. Both of them use or get asked different questions during the sign up process. And that's what you're trying to create. You're trying to create a membership plan where you have a sign up form, a free sign up form that targets a specific group, and you have a completely different sign up form that targets a different group. If you already tried this, then you know where I'm getting at. There's no way for you to have two or more different sign up forms, free sign up forms. Okay. In this particular case that we're handling here. So I did a workaround. What's the workaround? And I need you to understand this if you actually want to apply this idea to your site. The workaround is the following. Because I worked on Brain Directories as one of the senior developers there, I do know that, and I'm pretty sure you read about this too, that the free membership levels will always use a specific form that its system name is sign up free. You can see here, sign up free. Okay, but you can't change that. I mean, there's multiple ways of changing that, but you can't change it in a way that I could explain it or show it to you in a very easy way without you going crazy or needing to have a developer with you. Okay, that's what I'm trying to remove from, at least on this video, the need for you to ask me to do this for you or any other developer. And again, as always, empower you with things that you can do on the BD side yourself, and save money, have more flexibility, more power over the control of the site, all that. Okay, so rule of thumb here: any free membership level, any free membership level, this one, that one, whichever. Okay, any free membership level will always use, if I can find it. Oh, here it is. Okay, in the remember, in the toolbox form manager, they will always use the sign up free form. This is a system variable. I don't know if it says, well, here they call it shortcode, but internally speaking, this is a system variable for this specific form. Okay. So what I did was the following. Okay, since we can't change this, not even in the database level. I mean, in the code we could, but it turns into something big later. What I did was the following. I created a clone of the free sign up form, and I named it sign up free original. And then we created another one called sign up free biz. Why did I create this too? Because in this particular case, the owner of the site, again, thanks buddy, um, has two different free membership levels that he wants to show different type of fields in that form or different type of questions in that form when they're signing up. So because he has two here, you can see a free for life and a government one here that are also free. We ended up creating two. One for that free for life kind of thing, one for the business one, or actually I don't know which one's which right now, but I know this for each membership free membership level that you want to create a different form for, you create the form here, and you make sure that you have a nice little variable for it, okay, that actually sticks out, that actually explains what in the world that free one is. And then this one, the original one, again, you need to make sure that it's the sign up free. It doesn't matter what name you put on it, but you need to make sure the sign up free will only have the following. It will only have one field, which is a custom HTML field, and it calls a widget called sign up controller. I'm going to click here so you can see that there's nothing else. Absolutely nothing else. It's sign up controller. That's all it does. Once you save this and you make sure that it's a sign up free form, I'm going to show you what's happening here in the code, which is a code that I put in the Facebook group, okay? Um, Again, remember, here's sign up free, and then the other two free sign up forms are sign up free original and sign up free biz, okay? Now we're going to go to the code. Let me close this, close that, because you already know that there's two free one there. Well, this was open because I was showing somebody else that there's no option to select the sign up form they want to pick. Same there. Close this. This is one of the forms. Let me show you the code. There we go. Okay, so here's the code. This is the code that I pasted on the Facebook group. You can copy paste it. I'll put the link in the description below. Basically, what's happening here is the following. It says, if you're a developer, you immediately know what's happening here. But it says, hey, if I'm in the checkout page that has a 7, then use this specific form. They sign up free biz. If I'm in the page 5, then use something else. If not, then use the default. Okay. So I'm going to go here. You're going to see that I'm in 5 here, and it's showing you this specific form, a free form. But if I'm in 7, look at that. A different form. Completely different form, different labels, even sidebar, everything completely different. And the code was done in a way that you can control some of the options that you have on the sign up process through the membership levels, the same way that you've always done it. The only thing that you're controlling here is which form will visually show depending on if you're in this membership level or that one. Just in case, if your forms or URLs are not a number, like this one is, instead of 5, it's government, okay? Just put government here. That's all. Like you can literally say, if you know that the sign up page for this one is government, just put government there, or friends, or whatever you want, whatever the name of the URL that's in after the checkout is. That's all. And then on that same code here, you put which form is supposed to be loading there. How you figure that form? Again, that's why I'm repeating this a lot. You go to the form manager and you look for that form that you created to be shown there. There you go. See? Here's one. Here's the original one. If you go to the code, you can see sign up for your original, sign up free biz, and that's it. And then the rest just takes care of that. Now, why in the world do I have all this here? It's because there's some hiccups because BD does several validations, and I had to do it in a let's say a more intuitive way, the whole signing up process, so it wouldn't affect your security, but it also wouldn't affect the the let's put it like the experience that the user will have when joining in. So if I do all this and I put my email here, okay, you people are looking at my email. Okay, I do that. We finish the sign up, and you're gonna see that when I click, it's actually gonna do a couple of things at the same time. Yeah, this one that will only show if the connection is very slow. That can be hidden away with some little CSS, but at least you get my point. I was able to log in, do my thing here. Again, if you're a developer, that you can hide that through here, or just create a CSS and just apply it to that box when it actually shows. And here you see that I'm validating that if the boxes, those pop-up boxes are showing or not showing with some specific text or not, and so on. And you can see that I'm hiding them away. But if your connection is very slow, then that's how it's gonna uh, that's the experience that you're gonna have. Let me remove the cookie. Let me go back so you can see that whole thing again. Let me put something here, a different one. Okay. What's happening here is exactly what's happening here. This is how it's supposed to happen. You saw that there. It shows you the pop-up. It automatically clicks on it, and it takes you here. And the user is like, "Well, I signed up, and I ended up here." Oh, oh, how great, awesome. But if they have very slow connection, they'll end up being that additional like little warning. It would still sign them up, but they will see that little warning, and that's taken care of by just adding one additional thing here. I was just doing it super quickly so you can understand that the whole point of this video is that you can have two or more free sign up forms on BD, okay? And you could do it in a way that's very easy for you to scale this. You can add more forms here if you wanted to, like literally just copy this part and put it there. Now you got 5 different forms that you can control. Okay. Obviously, you need to have the actual forms here, but at least it's pretty good. It works more or less. The functionality is there. Obviously, you saw that bug, and that's why I said I didn't like it. I like my things to be working perfectly. But at least it gives you the idea that it is feasible to have two or more free forms, different free forms based on the membership level. Mm-hmm. So hope you like that weird video here. Remember to subscribe and all that crap that people say on YouTube. But also remember that there's still two partnerships left. Let me show you here. Let's go to the. Let me go to plans, Spirit Directories, and there's two of this still available. And this one's I gotta remove that close until April. Uh, with this one we got still 5 there available, and it includes a whole bunch of things. I'd rather do this in a video, but it includes a lot of things. Going back here, the file with that code, with this code, will be in the Facebook group. I already uploaded it there. I'm gonna put it in the description, and hopefully this will serve as at least as a base for anybody that wants two or more different free forms in their basically in their sign up process. Okay, so think positive. Big hugs to everybody. Okay.